Right, my friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna have a look at something different. A dash cam from Rexing, guys. So yeah, I reached out to the guys in Rexing, and they sent me a dash cam. Yeah, so what we're gonna do today, we're gonna do the unboxing, and after that I'm gonna set up everything on my car and you're gonna go for a ride. Yeah, so straight out of the box, 18 months of warranty. Yep, we like that a lot. Yeah guys, so let's go and do the unboxing. Coming up now. So here's the box. Nice yellow box with a picture of the camera in front. On the back, built-in Wi-Fi, 4K, ultra-wide lens, video sensor, temperature resistant, loop recording, and gravity sensor, and you can have GPS if you want to as well. Sounds good. 4K. Let's have a look what we got inside. Came here 18 months warranty. Tell a friend, make a review. That's what we're doing. And tell you the steps to get your free smart hardwire kit. Okay, it's cool. What else? Okay, you can have SD card for free. That's what you need to do with your order. Give a review and send them an email saying that you done the review. And here is how to install the things, safety guide and quick start guide. Camera here, nice camera. Okay, we're gonna go in detail about the camera in a minute, and we're gonna install the camera on my car, in my car. So you got this is the install kit. So you have the stickers, 3M stickers, 2 of them. Got the clips, and this is for the cable. On this one we have the power. This goes on your car, on the lighter. And what else? And a USB cable. And that's it. Right, let's talk about the camera a little bit more. You've seen the unboxing, and now let's have a look. Right guys, so if you go over Amazon, you guys can see, so they have 10,000 reviews, 10,000 something reviews. It's quite good. And yeah, 79.99, so £80 for a camera that they say that's the starting point. But guys, this little camera has loads of features, as you guys are gonna see in a minute. So let's see. So you got 4K car dash cam, 2.4 LCD screen, got Wi-Fi built in, 170 degrees wide angle dashboard camera, recorder with G sensor, WDR, loop recording. Yeah, so you guys can see a camera. It has an app as well. So because you got built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the app and connect it to the camera, and you can download and see the recordings from the camera. Quite good, let me tell you. So let's have a look. So this is the camera. So the premium features, so 4K, loop recording, good extreme weather, it's quite good as well, ultra wide angle, collision detection. Wow, the footage is protected in the event of a collision. That's quite good. Wi-Fi support and parking monitor. So some of the features of this camera is like it works like with models, so you can add more things. You can add the GPS, for example. You can add the GPS model and you can connect to the camera. I believe it's here. You got connected here, GPS model. And another cables you can connect. So for the parking, for example, you can connect another ones. So yeah, a very, very cheap camera with loads of features. Like I was saying, extreme weather, like a very cold weather and very hot weather, it works without a problem, right? Quite good, I'm telling you. So let's have a look. So what we have on the front, we have the record and the functions, the OK, and you can turn the screen and the start recording or stop recording. Just be aware that the camera will start recording as soon as you turn your card on. On the side, you call your SD card slot, power on and off, and a functions button. On the other side, you have your power, the GPS, and the extra cables. And you can adjust your camera here. See, so you guys can see. Let's put it here. So if you guys can see, let's cover my face. Here we go. You can adjust the camera up and down. So yeah, it's quite handy. This is a very good camera. Right guys, so you've seen all about the camera. We're gonna go outside now. I'm gonna set up the camera in my car and we're gonna go for a ride. Just before we go, don't forget you need a nice SD card, big one, but more important, you need the fast one, because let's not forget this is gonna be recording in 4K. So if you don't have a fast SD card, you will end up like having a lot of errors and the camera will stop recording or the sound will not record. This is like a normal camera. You need a fast SD card and quite a big one. That's it, guys. Let's go and set up everything and go for a ride. Let's go this side here, guys. So I'll be using this to try to feed the cable around. I'm going to try to not use the sticker bits for the cable, because if I want to remove the cable then it will be easier, but I don't know. Let's see how it goes. So it's quite long, it's quite good. Got very long cable. Sorry guys, looks like I'm out of breath, but it's so cold. Right, so this goes there like so, and then let's see if I can put it like that there. So guys, what I done, so I fit the cable there, it goes here, it goes underneath the mat and goes up there and goes there. You're having next week, maybe putting your online order in. Well, before you do, we've still got a week of January. As you guys can see, the image is quite good. I don't know if he's recording the sound. I'm talking, but I don't think he's recording the sound. He has the sound, he has a microphone, so I'm hoping he's recording the sound. It will not be a good sound, but I think I will do. So guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. I think it's pretty good. I think it's a nice camera. For the price, it's a really good camera. As you guys can see, the image is quite good. It's snowing at the moment. Not a lot, but it's snowing. So it's a quite dark day, and you guys can see the image is quite good. So I think this is a plus. This is a good camera. Like always, I'll put links in the description below so you guys can go and check it. Here we're going on countryside, England. I'm very pleased with this camera. For a long time I want to put a camera on the car. So you have, if you imagine you have an accident, it's quite easy. Let's hope we don't have accidents, but you can prove whose fault it is because you got a camera. It will be recording everything. So yeah, it's quite good having a camera. Here we are. Let's go back inside. It's too cold to be on here. How the image is during the night. So we're driving during the night. It's snowing, as you guys can see, and let me know on the comments what you guys think during the night. You guys seen during the day, it's not bad. It's so I upload the footage to my computer, and so during the day it's amazing. Let's see how it is during the night. So we're gonna go around here now, and it's gonna be pretty much dark where we're going now. So let's see if the image is quite good or not. So here we still got light, and we're gonna turn around here, and it's getting darker here. Let's see. Let's turn the fan, and here we go. What do you guys think? It's good? It's not good? So cold. So it's dark. It's snowing. So we can see how good the camera is. And here we go. Let's hope you guys can see. It's too cold. I'm gonna get inside and hopefully upload the video a bit later. Right guys, we're back in the studio / room, and well, what I can say, you guys see the footage and it's amazing. It's real good. It's real good. You can see everything. The detail and everything is perfect. Yeah, thumbs up for this camera. By the way, the sound, since I start driving the car until I stop it, the sound is from the camera built-in microphone. So even better. You got a nice microphone, let me tell you. Right guys, this is getting too long. If I recommend this camera, yes I do. For 80 bucks, 80 pounds, this camera is one of the best. The resolution is amazing. It's got everything, and if you wanna like upgrade, you can upgrade it. So you can put GPS, you can put the parking system, you can upgrade the camera. So if you don't want to expend like a lot of money getting like one of the 300 quid cameras, we got everything. This one 80, only 80 pounds, and after that you can add things, and yeah, thumbs up for this one. Right guys, that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video all around with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It will help the channel. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next review.